Hello artists! I want to show you today how to create a wax paper image transfer. It is so easy. You can do it at home with things you have around the house. First thing you need to do is cut a sheet of wax paper to be the same size as your printer paper. So like 8.5 by 11 would work great. Line your wax paper up with a sheet of printer paper. So put it inside so that it's going to be pulled through the printer just like a sheet of paper would. Yep, the key is to line it up perfectly before you press print. All right, you can see how in this case I am printing a tree of life and it printed just onto the sheet of wax paper. Allow it to dry for just approximately a minute so that it does not smear, and then you're going to place it ink side down on the surface you want to transfer it to. I'm transferring it onto a little piece of masonite that I got from Home Depot a really long time ago. All right, you're going to set it down. Once you set it down, don't move it around, and then you need to burnish it. You can use any smooth object to do this. I had a glue stick lying around, so I'm using the cap of the glue stick. Once I burnish the entire thing and make sure that I do not miss any spots, I take a credit card. You can just take any kind of card and just go over it. All right, now for the ultimate reveal. You can see how beautifully it transfers. I mean, it kind of looks like a tattoo. I love it. I think black ink transfers best, but you can do this with color ink too. And just so you know, this was done using a regular desk jet printer, not a laser jet, and it still worked. The ink is dry on the masonite and it is not going to smudge. Okay, so next I do want to show you something else that I tried, but full disclosure, this did not work as well for me. What I did was I took a sheet of mailing labels by Avery and I used the mailing labels, and then after using them, I printed an image onto the blank sheet of labels. And I printed it in reverse, so I changed the direction. I made my image in reverse on the computer first. All right, so I took some acrylic gel medium and I painted it on using a foam brush to the surface I wanted to transfer my image to. And as you can see, this is the back side of a clipboard. I allowed the gel medium to dry for approximately a minute, and maybe this is where I messed up. Maybe I should have let it dry longer. I don't know. And then I placed the print side down onto the clipboard, onto that gel medium. I pressed out all the bubbles going from the center out just using a card. It's like a credit card. You could use any kind of card, ID card, whatever. And then I let it dry. Now in my case, instead of letting it dry overnight, I used a blow dryer. You could use anything hot, like a heat gun. And then you're gonna just peel it off. As you can see, as I peel mine off, the image did not transfer as well as I would have liked it to. So, if you try this yourself, let me know if you have any extra tips or tricks that you could share with me, because based on what I saw, I like just using wax paper and burnishing it best. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more art demos and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.